Hello mga kuneho, and for today's video, gagawa tayo ng stir-fry noodles with chicken liver and tofu.
Onion, garlic, onion spring, green chili, carrots, bell pepper, chicken liver, tofu, egg noodles. Let's start the kuneho. First, we need to clean the chicken liver and put onion cut into half. Put into medium-high heat. Put some salt and bring to boil until cooked. Fry the liver until cooked through. Take care not to overcook as they will go dry. Cut into small pieces or your desired size. Next thing is the tofu. Cut the tofu block like shown above. Next is to slice it again into big strips. In a pan with oil, fry the sliced tofu in medium-high heat. Turn sides when it's almost golden brown. When it's done and crisp, we need to cut them into cubes. Set aside the tofu and liver. In a pan or wok, melt the butter over medium heat. Add the garlic, onion, and chilies. Add also the chopped carrots and bell pepper. Mix and stir well. Add the cooked chicken liver. Add some water. Time to add the other condiments, soy sauce. Next is to add the vinegar. Add also some ketchup for added twist. Add hot sauce. Optional. Add pepper and salt. Stir until all ingredients mix evenly. Add the sliced cubes tofu and toss. Add the noodles to the pan. Toss to combine. Stir until water almost dry. Put some spring onion for toppings. Serve hot. Enjoy the recipe. Gakineho.